Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you a YouTuber, a video producer, or a musician who has been struggling in order to purchase expensive noise removing gadgets like microphones and headphones? Then follow me. This video is for you. I'll be showing you a simpler way of removing background noise from your videos without having to purchase any of these expensive background noise removing gadgets. Please stay tuned.
In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to erase background noise from your Android device. To achieve this, you will go to your Google Play Store and search for Video Noise Cleaner. So that is the name of the app we'll be using, and it is the fourth on this list. You click on it and you download it. So I've already downloaded the app. I'll just open it. Once you open the app, this is what the interface looks like. So the next thing to do now is to import the video you want to edit. You tap on open, tap on files, select the video you want to remove background noise from, and you go to your gallery and select the video. I'll be picking this. So I'll be playing the video for you so that you would take note of the background noise.
WikiFX is a global corporate financial information searching tool. Its core function is to provide basic information searching.
So that is that. The next thing now is to play this video, and we can do that by simply clicking on play clean. Click on it. As you can see, it's already extracting the audio and denoising the video. So you allow it to load completely. So you play clean.
WikiFX is a global corporate financial information searching.
So you can see the difference
Its
between
core function is to provide
former
basic
video
information
and
searching,
this one. This
credit
is very
evaluation,
clear without any
platform
background
identification
noise.
and other
So
services.
this is very easy.
Please like, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. Thank you.